Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution worksheets. So this video gives us two slides where we look at the area of substitution. Quite straightforward, the whole process. However, if you haven't seen it or you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do these examples. Of course, it gives you some relevant examples that you can follow. For this particular slide, I will leave it on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide. But as always, you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, here is the second slide. I will also leave this on for 1 minute before I move on to the final slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Okay, here is the last slide, and you can click on the link there if you need any help.